Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we talked about introduction to HTML and everything actually related to HTML basic things. Now we have this program, how to start. Okay. So we'll simply copy paste this program because that is what required. Okay. Right click and just click on new and notepad or text document. Okay, suppose you want to give this file name as demo, but not the .txt extension. It will be .html. Okay, and just press enter from the keyboard. It ask you, if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? You have to press yes. So you all can see the logo which we are getting now, icon. Okay, it is Internet Explorer. Okay, right now it is 0 bytes because we have not written anything inside of it. So right click and open with Notepad. See, it is a blank file, not always or like just once only. Oh, sorry. Open with Notepad. Yeah. Okay, and suppose if I use that Control V. Okay, this is our program. HTML, head section, title, head, body, everything. Now it's time to press Control S because we have done some modification. So Control S from the keyboard, it will save your file. Okay, minimize this screen. Okay, so now you have to execute this file. You can open with any web browser, not necessary or compulsory to use Internet Explorer. You can use Google Chrome or Firefox or anything. Okay, so for example, open with. Okay, and if you want, you can use this Microsoft Edge or Explorer also. Okay, see, we are getting output as my first heading and my first paragraph. Okay, and the code was open with Notepad. Yeah, the code was HTML tag, then head tag, title, head, body, H1P, body, HTML, but it is showing only these two things, my first heading and my first paragraph. See here. And also, you all can see this is our tab. In the tab, the title it is showing is page title. See. If you want, like for example, if I write welcome, okay, I'm changing. Control S. Okay, and just refresh this page. See, now we are getting welcome as a title. So this is very basic and simple level of a program, or you can say that code in HTML actually. In my next video, we will start with the so many different elements in HTML. Like it was just now only H1, that is for my first heading, or you can say that it is a main or largest heading. Okay, we can have a H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, and likewise we can have a different types of tags also related to tables, related to your image, related to your link, related to your list. Okay, we'll check step by step everything, but right now you have to only make sure one thing. You can write your HTML code, okay, using Notepad editor or any editor. That is the first thing. Second, you have to save your file. Whatever name you want to give, you can give, but extension will be .html. That is for sure. And then to run or execute your code, okay, you can use any browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything, and then you can check the output of your code. Thank you, everyone.